So there's upcoming changes introduced by the Courts and Tribunals bill, introduced to the Parliament, very likely to be passed and will obtain the royal assent, most likely because there's a problem. The courts are overloaded. So as to the key changes, just very, very quickly, they haven't been yet in place, but we may expect them. There may be abolished right to choose between Crown Court and Magistrates Courts. Literally, they want to introduce a separate even division for either way offenses. We're not going into details on that, but just keep in mind, I'm just thinking about the most important sentencing power. Who remembers how many months is the sentencing power of the magistrates courts for the moment? It's always is a point of confusion because they change it all the time. But let's fix it and memorize. Who can tell me how many months to how many months they can sentence? Yeah, 12. Remember, previously it was 6 and then 6, 12, 6, 12. So 12 months. So that may be increased even to 18 or 24. So quite substantial thing. Yeah. And some other changes, related to how the things are handled. I think those two are the most important that we should just keep in mind. It's not yet in force, but most likely they will uphold it as courts are just tool. There are some other small upcoming changes that I want to outline, not upcoming, already existing changes. As to criminal procedure, they permitted the geolocation to be used for the search the premises. So, for example, if someone's phone was stolen, now it's permitted for the police without warrant to enter premises, which include also car, for example, cars, things like that, and check for this electronic device, for example, if it has geolocation. So, hopefully, it will help to reduce the theft. Then drugs testing on the rest, that's important. It was long time awaited, but they eventually added, I'll just show you, I've corrected a little bit the slide, which you will be given. The drug test on arrival was extended to Class B and Class C drugs with this bill. Something related to digital evidence protocols. It's related to ability of policemen to use their camera on their body to record the things and introduce it in evidence. What else is important? That the vulnerable witness now can be accompanied in the court with some kind of special person, independent domestic violence advisors. Something related to video recordings as to cross-examination, which is pre-trial, how the procedure is to be regulated. That's, I think, the most essential out of those. I think the most would be evidence related.